blog using Wix.com. So first, go to Google Chrome. Of course, dahil beginner tayo, sign up, type your email.
Bye, ma'am.
So, what kind of website do you want to create? Blog. So, click na to ang blog. Then, create your website with a Wix editor. Start with Wix editor. Pick the blog website template you love. So, kaning template ako napili, then edit. Welcome to Wix. So, kung mag-add ka og new post dito sa my blog, then add a new blog post. Example. Author. Then, publish now. So, as you can see, muna niya itong na-edit kagaina, then close na. Publish. So, congratulations, your site is published and is live online. So, okay na siya, then done.